Okay, so how about the first few days? Did you miss your home, and how was staying away from the home for a very long time, and how are you able to connect with them? You are able to get the nets and everything on
Yes, but not first few days.
Hmm.
On the first from this when I boarded from Kochi,
Yeah.
there my connection lost.
Yeah.
We don't have internet,
Okay.
and the agent office also Wi-Fi.
Then why Doha you do have the Wi-Fi is there, na?
They are asking phone number to send, and my SIM card didn't have this.
What SIM card didn't have? You didn't try maybe. आपका SIM
हाँ.
card जैसे ही आप आएगा, it works for some time, na?
Yes.
So your messages will come. It's only for that. Maybe your first time,
First
that's why
time,
you're not
yes.
aware of it.
Ah.
Okay, okay.
So can't.
So you're not able to connect with your family,
With family, no.
until you reach on the ship.
Until I reach on ship, I am not able to.
Okay, then
When I reach ship, after okay, I'm not don't know anybody, so
Yeah.
whom to ask I don't know. After having lunch
Yeah.
and taking this round,
Yeah.
I just asked for the engineer,
yes.
can I? So he gave me his internet card.
Okay.
Use.
Okay,
Then I use.
okay.
Then on. But once I settle, okay.
How was your family reaction when you came on board? मतलब
They are also tense because this much time they are also thinking whether he can find agent.
okay, okay. And you were not able to call them also.
Called them also for a long time, so they are also tense. Once
Okay, okay.
then
So,
everything is settled, then I collected net card, connections, everything.
okay,
Not missing family, not too much,
okay.
because here also a family.
Yeah, of course. So especially हम लोग यहाँ पे almost सारे Indians ही हैं. Just one chief engineer is Sri Lanka. Rest of all are Indians. So I hope कि you get along with them nicely. How was your seniors? How was your first experience? Means when you're taking down, everything was nice and smooth.
Yes, almost mistakes are there too much. Yes,
Yeah,
but
absolutely.
nobody is.
हाँ,
Everybody treats it in smooth way. No big mistakes also. So
yeah.
everything is gone.
Everything is smooth. Yes. So this is a good thing. You know, I always say the seniors are there not to heckle the cadets or fifth engineer. They have to show, because they are the fresh came out of जनरली मतलब सॉरी मैं इंग्लिश में ही चालू कर दिया बिकॉज प्रणव की वजह से. तो मैं कहने का मतलब है आई ऑलवेज से कि जितने भी सीनियर्स हैं उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि जो उनके अंदर जो कैडेट है या फिफ्थ इंजीनियर है उनको गाइड करे, शेप करे, बिकॉज दे आर न्यू. तो उनकी जितनी गाइडेंस जो सेकंड इंजीनियर जैसे उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रखते हैं इंजरों में, सेम लाइक डेक पे कैडेट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी चीफ ऑफिसर के अंडर होती है. तो चीफ ऑफिसर के गाइडेंस के अनुसार वो काम करते हैं. बट दे मस्ट मेक श्योर कि दे आर उनको ढाल रहे हैं उस प्रॉपर प्रोपोजिशन में कि बिकमिंग ए ऑफिसर और इंजीनियर, बट स्लोली बाय स्लोली. डोंट गिव देम बर्डन कि सडनली हाँ ये आपका ही है एवरीथिंग. बिकॉज सब लोग धीरे धीरे ही आके सीखते हैं. नो मैटर हाउ मच एजुकेशन यू हैव टेकन ऑन द बुक्स, बट आउट एट सी जो आपकी एक्चुअल जो एजुकेशन स्टार्ट्स होती है बेसिकली जब कुछ रॉन्ग होता है उससे सीखते हुए आती है. सो बुकिश नॉलेज इज गुड बट प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज इज ऑलवेज ए डिफरेंट, स्पेशली आउट एट सी. या सो नेक्स्ट थिंग विल टॉक अबाउट कि how many months you required for completing, how many months you have finished now?
Now 6 months finished.
So you almost finished your time. How much time you required to go for the class 4?
Class 4 we only require 6 months.
6 months, okay.
Something 120 days propelling days is the
So main आपका criteria 120 propelling days.
Some criteria is that mostly 6 months is same, but company contract is for 8 months.
Okay. But you can always ask them because I've seen it after you finish your 6 months because they consider कि plus or minus something is there. Now you should not come less. ठीक है. So now tell me what all the courses, like you said you already done the GME.
Yes.
Any other courses you have done for the CDC and passport is given by after the GME?
Basically STCW everybody has to that STCW. Then if we are going for chemical tankers, oil tankers, then that related courses also we have to do.
Okay.
Otherwise for bulk carriers only STCW courses.
Only CDC. तो आपका CDC वहीं पर बन गया था आपने जब GME किया था? GME उधर से बन के दे दिया आपको. ठीक है. So that part is finished. And what about this one? Class हो गया आपने कहा 120 days propulsion time चाहिए. After you finish here, what all classes you have to go through or exams you have to conduct? Do you know any brief or you can explain what are the?
Only in brief only.
Yes.
Little bit only.
Okay.
Basically we have to do all the STCW course as advanced we have to do.
Okay.
Advanced medical, then advanced firefighting, and all advanced courses we have to do. And after that only we have to.
आपकी classes you have to go for the classes for class 4?
Not required if we can study from.
अच्छा, not compulsory.
Not compulsory.
So अगर directly you can go and
yes.
give your exam.
Yes.
अच्छा तो
Only for class 2 and class 1 only compulsory.
Class
That is
time, college time is there. Okay, so for that this one there is no college time.
Yes.
So आप सीधा directly जाके exam
yes.
देते हैं. So how well you are prepared now for going for? You have written and orals both ना?
both है.
तो returns कितना है? कितने
Four
function?
written.
Only 4 papers.
Yes.
Basically, if you can guide with all papers.
MEP.
Okay. Just give me.
Okay. Means I'm also not sure.
Okay. So.
MEP. Then motor means main engine and everything. MEP related with all auxiliary machineries.
Okay.
Then electrical is there.
अच्छा.
Naval is there.
Okay.
Safety is there.
Okay.
And one more general part is there.
So that means total 6.
6 papers there. 4 orals are there.
4 orals are there.
4 orals.
Okay. So orals में function like a function something.
From safety, motor,
Okay.
MEP, and general electrical.
And how often you can give the exams? Written every month, I guess. Every month.
Every month is there.
Okay.
And if you write in this month,
Okay.
we have to wait for result. And the next month we will.
So you want
So
to go.
that paper we can't do.
Okay, noted. So yeah.
So we can plan like 3 we will do one time
Okay.
and 3 next one. So result will come.
You can give all 6 now
Yes.
one time also if you have
Yes.
studied
So
everything.
all these things everything.
yeah. So that is there. So now we came to that part. So do you know anyone who's there doing the class 4 or previous history when you asked the last 4th engineer or कि कितना time लग जाता है just to
Yes. Our seniors are there.
Okay.
And here also
तो जनरली मतलब कितना टाइम लग जाता है यानी
depends, but and depends on which MMD we are appearing.
अभी कितने MMD है now you have 4 MMD
Yes.
नहीं आपका चेन्नई
कोच्चि,
कोच्चि
कलकत्ता,
चेन्नई कलकत्ता बॉम्बे मुंबई दिल्ली
Delhi.
now there is one more in there also in Gujarat also
Gujarat also.
Kandla
Yes.
so you are near to Kochi
Kochi,
sir.
yes. From we can do from
how
Kochi.
is the Kochi का कैसा है आपका passing percentage is good now
Yes. Because one of our seniors said Kochi is okay. No.
अच्छा लेकिन आपके ये जो orals होते हैं now it's online और offline है
I don't correctly know.
okay
Where from?
so लास्ट जो DNS का मैंने पूछा था तो जैसे कि ऑनलाइन है so anyone can come and ask you the questions
Okay.
so like that is a little tricky one you know
Exam part I have to check after.
yeah still finished okay so apart from that how do you find the ship you've said on bulk area how's the ship मतलब कैसा क्या है if you want to brief someone
Yes. Basically, it's good.
Okay.
Very means not too much fun,
okay
and we have time to study and good atmosphere, good people also, and chemistry.
so
So not watch time,
Not watch
only
time.
morning 6 to 7 UMS out.
yeah I was about to ask the same thing कि
yes.
what is your routine मतलब आप morning से कैसे start करते हैं till you finish your days yeah can you just brief yes
Morning 6 o'clock, 6 to 7
Okay.
UMS round. So duty engineer, duty motorman, and me will be there.
okay
6 to 7 round. So they will be taking round. I will take soundings.
okay
All of OPP tank soundings will take.
okay so basically 15 year calm is more of soundings
Yes, we have to take soundings.
then
So I will take soundings and record. Then 7 to 8 shower, breakfast and everything. 7:45 8 o'clock we'll reach.
okay
Then toolbox meeting. Just what all things to do. Then from there to around 5-6 depends on the day. Depends on jobs we'll go. And after that, if we want to play TT or gym or something, if you want to do, we can do. Or
yeah
6 o'clock come for food. And 8 to 9 we will be sitting like everybody and
watching TV
Yes, and 9 o'clock again UMS round is there.
अच्छा 9 to 10 yeah
9 to 10 UMS round. So again duty engineer, motorman, then we will come.
okay
We will take rounds. Night time no sounding, so we will just take rounds, check everything,
okay
and night time round this will be little bit more from top to bottom everything we will check.
okay so all parameters
All parameters we will check, checklist and filling everything.
okay
Then around 1 hour.
After 10 o'clock
Now,
you are-
yes,
you are-
after 10 o'clock we are free.
free to go
Yes.
okay so just for the viewer because we are again हम लोग बता रहे हैं कि ये UMS क्लास शिप है इसी के लिए 4th इंजीनियर को निकाला गया है एंड नाइट में वॉच कीपर्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट ये लोग सब मेंटेनेंस का काम कर सकते हैं नाइट और सुबह 6 to 7 एंड 9 to 10। ये इनके UMS राउंड्स है जिसमें ये सारे पैरामीटर चेक करते हैं, ऑल आर स्टेबल, सब कुछ ठीक है नहीं है, बिकॉज फायर के लिए राउंड्स के लिए भी कंसिडरिंग यही है। आफ्टर दे गो देन उसके बाद इनके रूम में अलार्म सेट किए गए हैं। नीचे कोई भी पैरामीटर ऊपर नीचे होगा तो वो ड्यूटी इंजीनियर्स के रूम में अलार्म बजेगा तो वो नीचे जाके अटेंड करेंगे। सो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ वर्क दे डू ऑन अ UMS क्लास शिफ्ट। एंड ट्रेन में गए क्या अभी आप अभी तक? ट्रेन में गए?
Yes.
हैं?
Because we have maintenance for 110.
Okay.
Heavy work.
Yeah. So you have seen the crane, you have climbed the crane
Yes,
also,
yes.
huh? Yeah, good. Because शिप में एक ही सबसे जगह हाइट है जो कि है क्रेन। तो क्रेन कई लोगों को अगर हो सकेगा तो मैं आगे भी दिखाऊंगा कि हम लोग वायर की ग्रीसिंग जब करते हैं तो पीपल कैसे इतने हाइट में चलते हैं। तो क्रू का काम भी काफ़ी स्ट्रगल काम है, काफ़ी हार्ड वर्क काम है। सो आगे वो जारी रखेंगे। आज इस वीडियो को यहीं पर ही कंटिन्यू करेंगे थोड़ा सा और। हाउ आर यू? हाँ, सो हाउ इज एवरीथिंग नाउ? एवरीथिंग इज गुड, सेटल्ड डाउन?
It's no more.
अभी सब घर जाने की तैयारी है मतलब, सो यू आर एबल टू फिनिश। सो हाउ यू फीलिंग आफ्टर फिनिशिंग योर हाउ डू से द ट्रेनिंग टाइम?
Yes. One of the leg part is I get 2 second engineers, both are very good.
Yeah, so you got to
Not only second engineer, chief engineer also.
Yes, he was very good.
Third engineer also. Everybody was very good.
Yes.
Good crew members, and they are all.
So you learned everything now, because suddenly now you will come as a 4th engineer where you have to
Not
be
learn, but they want me to clear everybody. So no problem.
ओके तो ठीक है। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। तो विल कंसिडर आज इस वीडियो को शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल यहीं तक रखेंगे। आगे आने वाली वीडियो में हम और लोगों से जानकारी लेंगे कि कैसे उनके काम इफेक्ट करते हैं, कैसे कैसे वो काम करते हैं। आने वाले वीडियो में हर एक रैंक से हम लोग एक इंटरव्यू लेंगे, एक वो जानेंगे कि उनके दिन के डेली काम कैसे रहते हैं एंड देयर पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस। तो आज वीडियो को यही खत्म करते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे। जय हिंद, जय भारत भाई।